would like to welcome everyone. I'm by name of Abdullah Kenya, based in Uganda. Tonight, I would like to invite in our presenter tonight, Mr. Mawanda Faisal, based in Uganda. He works with CashTelex International. Thank you. Mr. Mawanda Faisal, the mic is on your side. Thank you.
Before we start, I want to thank you all for the time you put into actually see that this is an opportunity for us all to start, because this is a journey where we need to be tracking who will really be 10 years to come started. And what we are going to look at today is all about the CashTelex exchange. For many of you, I think you've ever interacted with exchanges, and by definition, we really need to understand that exchanges are online platforms that facilitate the buying, selling, and trading of various cryptocurrencies, right? So as we look into these exchanges, there are technical things that we need to be focusing on to, because if at all you do not understand the technical aspect, then you may fail transacting onto these exchanges. These exchanges, you can have an ordinary picture of the normal market, right? No matter where you are, you have markets where you buy things. But now these are advanced online systems or online platforms where we are going to be buying and selling cryptocurrencies. But again, of fiat currencies for different countries. And that is the way forward, because we are looking into empowering our people and how safe people can hold their assets. And that's why right now we are talking about the asset-backed exchange, the CashTelex-backed exchange. So we are looking at assets that are backed by gold, silver, diamond, real estate. And that's why you will be finding more about what really CashTelex is. But CashTelex is a real asset in definition, that you are going to have possibility of transferring CashTelex from one area to another, just as you transfer your gold from one area to another. If you have CashTelex, that means that you have a representation of an asset itself. So we are going to be looking at today about the exchange wallet, and precisely, let me log into one of my accounts right here so that we get started. Okay. Okay. So as this is where the login part, where in you put in your email, then you provide your password. As you provide your password, you have to again provide a captcha. A captcha are those letters you see down there. And once you provide them, the system, if at all everything is right, then you're good to go, if at all you already have an account. So this is the CashTelex exchange. But most importantly today, I want us to discuss something about the exchange wallet, because wallets are fundamental features of every exchange that you see. But As we start, once we go to the wallet right here, let me go there. Let us first of all go into the definition of the wallet, because a wallet refers to the digital wallet, or an exchange wallet refers to the digital wallet provided by a cryptocurrency exchange platform to its users, right? So any user has a wallet, and it is used for trading and managing cryptocurrencies on a particular exchange. And here, this is the CashTelex exchange, and everyone has their own wallet, right, for the exchange. But again, to understand more of this, we need to understand that within this exchange, it's if at all you want to use this exchange, it all starts from opening up your account and then make your deposits, right? Now, I was trying to talk about, we are going to be looking at some of the key characteristics about exchange, the exchange wallet, right? This wallet, or it might be because as you look at these exchanges, they are the same. Any exchange you are going to go to, it has to have its exchange wallet. And today we are looking at the CashTelex exchange wallet, but these are almost the same. So as you look at this kind of feature, has different kind of characteristics that we need to discuss. And first of all, let's talk about the functionality. As a key feature for functionality, an exchange wallet allows users to deposit, trade, and withdraw various cryptocurrencies supported by the exchange. And this serves as the interface for users to manage their cryptocurrency in the exchange's ecosystem. So you can look at the way how people can use this as you look at these different cryptocurrencies that are being provided or facilitated or supported by the exchange. You can see, so there is possibility of adding more cryptocurrencies onto this exchange. So it doesn't mean that each and every exchange you want is going to be provided onto a particular exchange or on the CashTelex exchange. You can find some of them onto the CashTelex exchange, and the other you might find them on the other exchanges. So any kind of exchange can decide to have cryptocurrencies that it supports, and that is all about functionality. So two, we can talk about the multi-currency support, as you see here, Bitcoin, Lite, Dash, for example, CashTelex itself, and then the other fiat currencies, because CashTelex is facilitating cryptocurrencies and then fiat currencies, and fiat currencies are just national currencies. As you look at Kenyan shilingi, Uganda shilingi, Naira, the dollar, right? There are many currencies that are going to be to attract more people within different and more other stakeholders. These exchanges typically cryptocurrencies. Oh my God. How is it now?
Clear, you're clear right now.
Okay. So three, we are going to look at the security aspect or characteristic. Once we talk about security, this is what you need to know. Exchange wallets are usually managed by the exchange platform itself, right? So exchange operators implement security measures to protect users' funds, such as cold storage for most of the funds and two-factor authentication for user accounts. And that for those that have opened up the accounts with CashTelex, I've seen that once you open up this account, you're going to see that they provide you with a ciphertext which you have to click. That means that while you're using an exchange, you also participate in part of the security, because you keep part of the features like the ciphertext that is going to help you create a Google Authenticator, or that helps you create that two-factor authentication. And for that, once you lose it, there comes a problem, because even the company might not help you. So with that, we should be keen to this, because we all contribute in keeping our wallet safe for the exchanges, much as the company implements security features. But again, we have also a responsibility to do. So let us talk about user-friendly interface. So user-friendly, making it easy for traders to execute buy and sell orders, check their balances, and review transaction history. We all know that this wallet is attached to the here, where we can go to let us go to trade and go to the here you can look at that interface. This kind of interface, because it's all of you interacting directly with your wallet within where your assets are. So there is no way you can deal with the markets without having that kind of exchange wallet that is going to facilitate all of that. Where you're going to find is of executing your buy and sell orders, or check your balances and review transaction history. Transaction history can be seen. Let us, besides looking at this, what happens here within your trades, but again, there are transaction history where you can look at each and every currency looking at their kind of transaction history, just as you can go down here, for example, you can see the deposit history, what have you, all of these. Then it can be about the deposit or the withdrawal history. That happens in each and every kind of currency that you hold, or each and every currency that you do transfer or that you do hold within your exchange. I think that is clear.